All right, so we've looked a little bit at interval notation when we did domain before, but you need to be able to convert this and this into interval notation and write them in both ways, okay? So the big thing you want to keep in mind with interval notation is that we are looking at what values along negative infinity to positive infinity are included. So keep in mind, this is lowest to highest. You're always going to put your numbers lowest to highest. Okay? If you use hard brackets, then it is an included number. And if you use soft brackets, remember you got to break it to them softly that they're not included in your values. Okay? So we're going to do a couple of these, do them in a little bit of a weird order. But let's look at number one. We're saying all values of x that are greater than 3. So that means that 3 is the lowest value that I'm going to use. And it's going to go all the way up until infinity. Now, infinity is not a number. It's just a concept, so it gets a soft bracket. And 3 is not included because there's no line underneath it, so it's not included. Where in number 2, we have that harsh line underneath the greater than. So we're going from -5 until infinity, and it is included. Okay, so make sure you do know the difference between greater than versus less than, like in number 3. Okay? When you are looking at a number line, a couple things I want you to keep in mind. So if we look at number 10 here, we are starting at 2, and we are going until 5. 5 has an open circle, so it's not included. 2 has a filled-in circle, so it is included. Okay? And the last one I want to show you is number 13, because there's 2 sections here. So I'm going all the way from negative infinity, which is not included, all the way up until 0. And since 0 has an open circle, it's not included. And I have to union that, so we put a U in between them, with the other side of 0, still not included, all the way until positive infinity. So whenever you have sections like this, you're always going to have a U in between them. Okay?